Welcome to Da Nang and look at this beautiful new VinFast. I don't know what is it called, maybe like a working car, like a little service truck. I don't know. How would you call this vehicle? I think it's super cool. I feel like it's the father of the VF3 who goes to work every day. Okay, check it out. So it's not a real truck, it's not a real a van, it's like something in between. I absolutely love it. It's so cool. It's like, I will show you the VF3 and I think this is the dad, right? I think it's super cool. Now let's check out, so this is the VF5 and this is a Ford, this is a real truck, right? So this is what you would imagine having a big truck, a Raptor. And this here is maybe half of the size. Maybe 2/3 of that Raptor. Or maybe even less, maybe half, yeah. But let's walk this little neighborhood here, the Mi-An area. We find the VF3, the son of this bad boy. I don't know what's happening over here. Some new pavements, some drilling. They already put some steel, I think steel frames, I guess, in there. I'm not sure what it will be, guys. Hopefully a nice coffee shop. But this is still like a residential neighborhood here, I would call it. Very sleepy vibe here. Nice, green, peaceful. And it's just the parallel street to a very busy street on the Han River. We are also not far away from the Antung area, where I'm gonna actually walk right now. We have a little bit of a park here, some exercising tools. I think this is for electric. We have to see a VF3, so you know what I mean when we compare the working dad from VF3. I'm wondering how much it cost. So the VF3 is $9,000 or $10,000, and it's not that much bigger. I could imagine it's like a very good price. You know what would be cool? If VinFast would come out now with a sports car. VinFast. Like a 0 to 60 in 2.5 or 2.6 seconds. Something crazy. Under 3 seconds. Just to have it. Look at this car, for example. It's so much bigger. It's like a big, big van. So I could not even call the other car a van, because this is a van, right? So I have no idea where you put that, into which category. It's just like a bigger version of the VF3. I'm wondering if it would be cool if you get a bed in there and do some van life in a VinFast car. That would be cool. Imagine that. What are they transporting here? Ice. Yummy. Or is it ice? I don't know. It looked like it. I had banh kun today. It was very bad. I ordered it on Grab. Oh, I'm so sad that my banh kun place is closed. I don't even know how I should walk to the Anfänger. I don't want to see it again. I'm gonna take out a different route today. We will explore here the Mian area to the right. I guess there you can buy some gas tanks. Oh my god, this car has such a bad accident in the back. I'm surprised we did not see a VF3 yet. Just more Mercedes actually. What is that even? A A-Class? B? CLA? Ah, CLA. I actually want to walk over there. It's hot, guys. I saw a comment. I have to say how much temperature it is. The problem is the temperature always lies, you know. If it says a 30 degrees, it's 33 degrees right now. But it feels like 33. It's hot. There's not much wind going on. But a 30 degrees temperature on the beach just the other day when I filmed this video with Marcus, it felt like nice. So if I say nice weather, then I mean by that I can sit outside and I'm not sweating my ass off, okay? But now I would sit there, I would just sweat and be miserable. But being on the beach, sunset time and nice breeze, maybe it's still warm on the temperature scale, but the breeze and the air is so good that it's all good. I can sit there without smoking, without sweating. Sammy's Laundry. Now you know my business here. All come here and get your laundry done at Sammy Laundry, guys. It's not my laundry, but I obviously always support my Sammys. But I'm also not ridden like that. It's 1M. 1M only. Oh, look at this. What is that? Interesting. I want to have a boat tour. Midea. Isn't that a company for ACs? Huh. I have a Mitsubishi AC. It's so good. It's so nice. I love my AC. Sometimes I'm laying on the floor and looking at my AC, how beautiful it is. It's a big, beautiful AC. BBAC. BBAC. Look at this, for rent apartment. I could imagine these are like the gems here. Maybe. There's a little mini mart here. SV mini mart. I don't think I've ever walked this street here. There's lots of unused land here. So they're just parking cars here, but it belongs to someone. We are now at the parallel streets to the huge, big main street, which goes from the port all the way down to Hoi An and even further south. Like this parallel street here to the left, super big, and we will end up there. At some point I will try to go left. Some noodle shops here, small coffee shops. They're also doing the pavements here. Interesting. Locals are clearly struggling with the pavement situation here. It's hard to get the motorbike in and out because of it just opened up the pavement here. Huh. Brand new building here. I'm wondering if they're gonna widen the pavement here as well or not. Yeah, some issues here. But it is essentially how it looks right now with the pavement situation here. They rip it open and leave it. And then the people who live here have to figure out with some wood planks, put it over, some plywood, to get the motorbikes back into the apartment or house. And in between there's some little pagoda. Interesting. Chic house. Huh. This is maybe an apartment building. Holy jolly. Mini mart. I don't know what this is. Yeah, maybe I can go here to the main street. No, I cannot. Whew. At least we are still in the shade, guys. I don't know what this is. Looks like a Pikachu something. Maybe a big kindergarten or something like that. We have a little playground here, which is actually very busy in the evening when the sun is down. And I think here on the right side we will actually have a huge new project. They will build something big here, I'm pretty sure. Else I would have not fenced it up like that. So this is the neighborhood, the area. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be so interesting 10 years from now to rewatch these videos here, how it really looked. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and rewatch in 10 years. So I will walk a different street right now. also a very interesting street. It's a little bit longer route to the Antung area, but I really don't like Doba anymore. Since I really want to have my 10,000 steps, I'm actually walking there. Yesterday I did great. 14,000 steps. I want to have that every day now. Huh. I'm wondering if those electronics still work, or if they're just been taken into pieces for spare parts. Here they're already finished with the pavement. Can walk with some obstacles here. So guys, this is the street name. Van Hanson and New Hanson. So this here is the big street I talked about. Huge street. But yeah, we will actually stop here and we will start here a new video because this is the Antung area again. But yeah, this is the Mi-an area. We will walk there more often. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.